Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas ornament using the xTool Creative Space software. We'll also be exploring the curved text tool. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go up to Insert, select a circle, hold down my Shift key and just draw a circle. Okay, then I'll go up to my sizing and I will be working in inches. And I'm going to just change this to 3 inches. Then I'm going to do copy paste, move that off to the side, and I'll change this one to 4 inches. Next, we're going to add a graphic into the 3-inch circle. So I'll go over to the shapes icon, go down to Festival, click on that button to expand it, click on the snowflake. Then I'm going to bring this into the 3-inch circle and increase the size so that it slightly overlaps the edges of the circle. Now I'm almost there, so if I go up to my panel here, let's try 2.7 inches. And I think that will work. So I'll highlight both of those pieces, go up to align horizontal, align vertical. Then I'm going to go up to Combine and select Subtract. Now you can see that that's made that one piece. Now I'm going to bring over this larger circle. Actually, you know what? I'll just select both of these pieces. Go back up to Align tool, horizontal and vertical. While those are selected, I'll go back up to Combine, Subtract at Overlap. So now this is one piece. I'm going to click on it one more time, right click, and assign red as the color. Now for me, red means cut. That's just my own personal legend. So I'll just rename that cut. And this is the basis for the ornament. I'll put this off to the side, and next we'll work on the curved text. So if I click on the text tool, this is going to be a long string of text. So I think what I'll do here is change the size down to 24. And the font that I'll be using is called Cambria. So I'll just do a quick search, click on that. Then I'm going to highlight the word hello, and then we'll just type over that. So with my cap lock on, I'm going to type Merry Christmas. And then I'm going to do 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to write Season's Greetings. And another 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then finally, Joy to the World. And no spaces after that one. All right. So now what I'm going to do is right click and assign this purple. Now purple to me is engrave. While I still have that selected, I'm just going to click on engrave. And this will give me a nice visual to work with, especially when I'm trying to do placement inside the ornament. So now we need to add the curved text. So if you click on this icon right here, just click and hold, and then slowly drag that down with your mouse, you can see that the curve is taking effect. Now I do not want to completely close it like this. I'm going to, oops, gone too far. I'm going to leave a little opening at the bottom. Now I know this is slightly larger than these 2 spaces, but that's as close as I can get it at this point, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now we need to put this into the ornament. So I'll bring this in, put it on here, and that actually works pretty good. I might make it just a little bit bigger, so 3.602. Let's try 3.7. And I think that looks really good. Okay, great. So I'll select all those pieces again, go up to Align, do the horizontal and vertical alignment. And now we have the basis for the ornament. Next part is I'll show you how to create the hanger to put at the top of the ornament. So we'll go back up to the Insert tool, go back to Circle, hold down the Shift key, draw a small circle, and I'm going to make this 0.5 inches. Then I'm going to do a copy paste, Control C, Control V, and I'll make this one 0.25 inches. I'm going to select both of those, align horizontal and vertical, right click, give it a red color. Then I'm going to select both those items again, go up to Combine, Subtract and Overlap. So now this is one piece. So I'll bring this up to the top of the ornament, and I'm just going to slightly overlap it just like that. Click on the red layer, go back up to Alignment, and you only need to do a horizontal align. And that way I know that that is perfectly aligned with the ornament. Then click on the red layer again, go back up to Combine and say Unite, and now your ornament is all created. So you've got all your red pieces and then your blue pieces, or your purple pieces rather, for engrave. Okay, so that's looking really good. Now those little spaces between the phrasing, it would be nice to put another snowflake there. So I'm going to go back over to Shape, back into Festival, and choose a snowflake. Now, because this is going to be really small, I don't want it to be, too intricate. So I think I'll try this one right here. Let me bring this off to the side. And then I'm going to decrease the size, right click and assign it blue. Now blue will be score, so I'll double click on that, type score. And then I'm going to place that into the ornament. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see what I'm doing here. And I'll probably need to decrease that size again. So now we're down to, what is this one, is basically 0.3. So let's just round that out to 0.3. Then I'll do a Control Copy, Control V, and place that into the bottom space here. Control V again, and put this over to the other side. Okay, now you could spend some time making these look more even in these spaces. So I think that looks pretty good, and that looks pretty good. And that's it. That's how you create an ornament that you can put circular text into, add additional embellishments into it, and change that text. Anything that you wanted to put in there, you could make a special one with your family's name in there, with your children's name. You can customize this in a lot of different ways. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.